This robot features innovative technology to save lives, according to its creators. It's essentially a remote-controlled lifebuoy, but thanks to its clever design, it can also be used for other tasks, including carrying supplies, working with mooring ropes, and training and drills. The robot swims at 8 miles per hour and is suitable for use in muddy water full of debris and algae. Its remote control ranges up to 0.3 miles, and one charge is enough for 30 minutes of work. Batteries are stored in a separate sealed compartment, so even if the body is damaged, the robot will be able to finish the mission. The bright orange hull and lights, visible even in the fog, provide visibility on the water. This is a pioneer development of a new kind of individual parachute systems. Simply put, it's a parachute system designed to evacuate people or valuable cargo from high-rise buildings. And the designers are confident that even an untrained person can handle it. Have you seen how parachute systems are activated on spacecrafts passing through dense layers of the atmosphere? The same concept applies here. SPARS is a rescue air transformable autonomous landing equipment, suitable for evacuation from heights of 16 to 3,281 feet or even more. The design of the mounts is intuitive and provides the ability to evacuate a mother with a child. The maximum load capacity is up to 260 pounds. According to experts, the system's technical reliability is 99.8%. The invention has already received 13 international patents. The smart solution for coastal cruising, inland sailing and sport fishing, geared for situations where rescue is expected within 24 hours, the creators explain. This raft is equipped with an inflatable ladder, lighting and a signal light, a double insulated floor, and an emergency survival kit. The manufacturer has models for 4, 6, and 8 people. The raft can be packed in a container or a special bag. The smallest model weighs 77 pounds with the bag. Activation is simple. You just pull the cord and the raft unfolds. Large ballast bags are provided for stability, so even in case of strong waves, the raft won't capsize. Here is a product that almost everyone can afford, as it's designed for a wide range of users. This tinder can make a fire even in the rain, as it doesn't absorb moisture. The product is made in the US. A patented impregnation compound combined with cotton guarantees long burning and flame resistance to the wind. It can be lit by using a lighter, a match, or a ferro rod. In addition, the tinder is non-toxic and boasts a long shelf life. One stick weighs only 2.5 ounces and won't take up much space in your backpack or jacket pocket. And thanks to its relatively soft texture, it's easy to cut and prepare for making a fire. The cost per piece is about $20. Specialists from South Korea also delight us with their developments. These magic stairs will ensure quick and safe evacuation from a building in case of fire. The main features of the product are its compactness and autonomy. When assembled, it looks like a regular balcony rail, but once you activate the emergency lever, it will unfold under the action of gravity into fully fledged evacuation stairs. This is a great solution if the building doesn't have other escape options. Thanks to the protective bars and wide steps, the risk of injury is reduced. In addition, the design is very sturdy. Each section was tested to withstand a static load of 1,060 pounds. And the installation costs are quite reasonable for both old and new buildings, the company says. This product is manufactured by a US company. This series of escape armchairs will help transport people with disabilities. The chairs will also be of interest to medical institutions and nursing homes. The smallest model weighs only 19 pounds and can move a person weighing up to 400 pounds. The seat is made of fire-resistant materials and painted bright yellow for more visibility. The model is 20 inches wide, so it's easy enough to maneuver even on narrow stairs. Thanks to the EVAC and track technology, you'll always be in control of your descent speed, and the removable safety harness is designed to keep the person securely in place. All EVAC Plus chairs are covered by a standard lifetime warranty, adds the manufacturer. The boats the search and rescue workers were asking for. That's how the manufacturer introduces this product. According to it, the boats are so versatile that they're suitable for almost all bodies of water, from small rivers to oceans. The secret of its success is a patented inflatable platform, which can float on its side and upside down without any problems. At the same time, the frame will protect the crew from rocks and debris such as branches. Built-in Velcro straps 4 inches wide are provided for reliable fixation. Weights vary from 155 to 285 pounds without equipment, and there is also a transom to accommodate a motor. The boats are perfect to work in the most specific conditions, for example, near dams or in flooded areas. In addition, the team offers a special training course on water rescue. Imagine there is a fire and the escape routes are blocked. The only option is the window. We have created a system that will help you escape, says its manufacturers. Interestingly, this is just one of the possible scenarios. The product will be of interest to crane operators, military, and other categories of customers. In its standard version, the system can evacuate buildings up to 985 feet tall and can hold up to 330 pounds. The total weight of the system is about 2.5 pounds. The manufacturer is also willing to offer a comprehensive solution for specific needs. The cable unwinds automatically, and 2 braking systems are provided, so that the user only has to gently push away from the wall. Here is a product from a company that made life jackets and rafts for the US military back in the 1940s and 50s. Based on the accumulated experience, the engineers created this single-seater raft, which is also available for the civilian market. The model costs $1,300, and for this money you get a unique U-shaped design which allows you to use the raft from any side, a special design of the floor. The center of gravity will be much lower than the waterline, which will increase the stability, and fast inflation with the help of 2 CO2 tanks. The weight of the raft ranges from 5.5 to 6.2 pounds. The all-weather visor with a window is provided for protection, and the bailer helps you to get rid of water quickly. A card that will help you quickly leave your car. Sounds a little strange, but the creators assure it's not only used all over the world, but also is approved by the National Guard of the United States. The product is very compact. It weighs 1 ounce and is about the size of a credit card. It easily fits in a wallet, purse, or under a sun visor. And in the event of an accident, the card will allow you to cut the seatbelt. The knife is recessed into the body, so it cuts belts, not fingers, and to break the glass. To do this, you need to insert the card arrow side up until it stops and pull it back and release. The shards of glass will fall outside, the creators assure. The price is $21. A paracord bracelet on the outside and a stainless steel wire saw on the inside. This unusual gadget costs $25, and according to the creators, it will be very useful in emergency situations. The bracelet weighs 1 ounce and must be unfastened to use the saw. The released paracord will also come in handy and is about 9 feet long. Thanks to the quick release buckle, the bracelet is easy to wear on your arm or attached to your backpack, and the concept as a whole was so successful that at the 2013 Blade Show, the bracelet won the Accessory of the Year award. However, the opinions were divided. Some thought the bracelet was pretty good, while others wondered if it wasn't easier to break some branches the old-fashioned way, saving your strength. If you like outdoor activities no matter the weather, you should consider buying this blanket. At only $5, it'll help you stay warm in an emergency situation. For example, if you get caught in a rainstorm, fall into a pond, or are just cold. The blanket is made of metallized polyester and retains up to 90% of the heat generated by the human body. It folds up compactly, so it will fit not only into your backpack, but also into your jacket pocket. The blanket measures 83 by 55 inches when unfolded. Also, the model will please you with excellent protection from wind and moisture, and the manufacturer recommends it as a must-have piece of outdoor gear in cold or windy weather. At first glance, this looks like an ordinary bracelet, and a rather plain-looking one at that. However, the first impression is deceptive, because with its help, you can quickly break a car window. The accessory weighs 2 ounces and can be easily adjusted to the size of your wrist. It's really easy to use in case of an emergency. Just fold your fingers like a slingshot, stretch the elastic cord, and shoot the special weight over the glass. The weight is made of tungsten carbide and can easily handle even hardened glass. According to the developers, you can break not only the side but also the rear glass, and often with just one blow. The bracelet costs $7.